Yes, start. If international experience has any lesson to teach us, it is that even small farms can be productive farms, can be paying farms, full stop. For instance, take the case of Japan, full stop. My friend may be aware that the size of Japanese farms is less than the average size of our farms holding, but even then they are highly mechanized and they use small tractors and power tillers, full stop. So there is no basic contradiction, full stop. On our scheme of things, we do not contemplate that every individual should own a tractor, full stop. In fact, what we are trying to help and support in this country is that tractors and power tillers should be available either through cooperative societies or through service centers or through agro industries corporations, full stop. So there should be an institutional framework to provide adequate draft power and necessary machinery for cultivation, full stop. I do not think there is any contradiction involved, full stop. But we do not think that every farmer should own a tractor, full stop. He also made a statement that there is no ceiling on income from business, and why should there be a ceiling on land, question mark. This matter has been discussed and debated in this house for over 2 or 3 decades now, full stop. The position of land availability in this country or the land man ratio in this country is well known, full stop. If a few persons are allowed to have large holdings, it would have created lot of tension in the countryside, full stop. It is not therefore in the interest of the country, full stop. But I quite concede that it is not possible to distribute land in the rural areas on the basis of calculations of heads, full stop. This is the other extreme which we do not want, full stop. We do not want wide disparities to prevail in land holdings, full stop. We cannot compare the agricultural sector with industrial sector, full stop. That has not been thinking in this country, full stop. The ruling party does not have such views, full stop. He made one point with which I broadly agree, full stop. He said that while allotting land there should be some minimum, full stop. We have advised the state governments that whatever land is allotted to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes or other landless persons should fulfill the minimum requirement in regard to the size so that they can make out a living from that land, full stop. But when the landless persons are so many and demands and pressures are so much, the state government will naturally have to compromise on that, taking into consideration the local situation, full stop. So naturally they have to cut down the sizes of the lands whenever the people are more and land is not enough, full stop. I hope the people shall also compromise their, full stop, and over.